was on a nice highway, and all of a sudden my GPS told me to turn left on whatever this is. I don't know, I don't see it on the... Anyway. So, this is the road I'm on now. Anyway, this one says to stay on this road for 4 miles. Oops. And then get on Interstate 40 West. I am working my way back to California. Going slow, probably take 4 or 5 days, because I go 300 miles at the most a day, because my back has just basically had it with driving. So yeah, hopefully I will have made it home by my brother's birthday. And yeah. Alright, I'm going to turn this off and I'll be back later. Bye. Initially, when I planned today's route, I wanted to go all the way to New Mexico. Got 140 miles to go. No way. I'm just too tired. Too tired. Anyway, so I figured since I'm here, it's 20 bucks a night, full hookups. It's a really nice little park. It's got, well, you pull in and get this thing to work. You pull in over there, and really nice husband and wife in there. Anyway, they've got a little play area for kids. I know I'm going hoarse for some reason. My voice is going. And I think they packed people in here pretty tight because there's room for someone there and I'm parked here. Yeah, pretty tight. Anyway, let's walk around a little bit. Not much though. Don't get all excited. Anyway, I'm just going to the back of the trailer to show you. Those are only 1 per slot, but this one where I'm at, there's 2. Anyway, so yeah, they've got the TV hookup, they've got internet, great internet, and full hookups, water, sewer, electricity. I'm under a nice oak tree, so I have some shade. Anyway, I'm going to finish doing the update on my phone. I had to get some laundry done. I was getting gas today. You know, my luck. Anyway, I put the gas thing in the truck, and I'm pumping the gas, and I grabbed my credit card out of my right hand to put it in the pocket of my shirt. And I don't know what happened, but gas came out of the gas thing, and it went all over me, all over my shirt, my sweater, or jacket, whatever it was. Yeah, it was fun. And then something happened, and you plug it into the cigarette lighter, and it's got like a USB charger, just an extra charger. It burned up. I had to pull over today because I kept smelling, you know, something burning. I was like, what in the world? It was that thing. So now I can't use my Garmin, my GPS Garmin. I don't have a way to charge it. The charger, the cigarette lighter charger for it, quit working too. Anyway, I've been using my phone. Anyway, so I'm going to get some things done, and it's not too uncomfortable, but it's kind of warm. Anyway, and I'll bring you back later. Toodles. Look at the little car behind that thing. That's where I'm at. It's an RV park. I'm tired. So that's where I'm at. I think it might be Thursday. Not sure. I was in Kansas this morning and I drove to Texas. Long drive, I'm tired. No, somebody else. I thought it was that truck coming back. Anyway, I don't know how many miles I went, but my eyes were getting to the point where I couldn't see anymore. I was tired. I think I left Kansas at 8 this morning, 8:30, and I got here about 3 o'clock, somewhere around there. A lot of driving. Anyway, I don't know if I'm staying here one night or two. Boy, was it windy. Pretty bad. But what are you going to do, you know? I'd like to be able to schedule the weather, but it doesn't seem to work that way for me. Anyway, the truck seems to be doing okay. Got some hesitation when it's got a load going uphill. I might try and put in some Tecron. It's not for a spark plug, it's for the other thing. Can't think of the name of it. Fuel injector. Ding, ding, ding. Anyway, to clean those things. Maybe that'll help.